Minnie. I think they're doing some morning exercises.
Come on, let's join them. No, Manny, our mothers are going to a seminar for one day and we are waving them goodbye. Look, over there.
We'll be back this evening, dear.
Don't worry about the kids, sweetheart. Have a safe trip.
So are they off for discovery?
It's not a discovery. They are going to have some important talks with some other teachers about education.
So this means we get to be together all day. Think about all those games we'll play in our garden and all the adventures we can have.
It's raining today, you guys. So it seems you will be home today.
So no discovery today?
You can't go out, so discover the house.
Perfect! I'll get my spaceship right away.
There's no need for the spaceship, Manny. We can discover by walking.
Hey, it's time to swim, guys.
Was that Mutlu?
Did Mutlu learn how to swim?
I promised him I'll teach him this summer.
It hasn't filled up enough to swim yet, Dad.
It'll be a long day for me. Oh.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy